So I want to start a second one here so you can actually see exactly what's going on. All the cement gets dumped into the little hopper right there. Then it gets pumped up through and down. And here's the truck coming in now. And in he goes. Not sure exactly how many trucks of cement this thing's going to take, but it is what it is. Everything revs up, and there comes the cement. And then everything gets pumped all the way up, way the hell up there, and down into the forms. And the orange shirt with that thing around his neck, he's the guy that operates this deal right here, but he's doing it by remote control. So he's got that little thing in his hands, and he can control how much cement comes out. He can move the boom. He can do all that kind of stuff to move this thing wherever he wants to move it. It's very cool. Looks like they started right here because you can see the tops of this is already full. A lot of cement. Now this guy here, he's putting something down inside the cement and it vibrates it and causes it to compact. So make sure that there's no large air bubble ways. Here is, this one's for you, baby, your garage. This one, you can see your opening, so, and the ground, so you can see how far this dirt's going to have to come up to actually come to the bottom of your garage. These guys are working hard. They're putting in pins. You can see them back there, putting in pins into the concrete for the bottom plate of the wall that goes up. But you can kind of see everything that's going on here. This is the last load. It would be a total of 72 yards of concrete. Again, that's 72 yards of concrete that are going in for these walls. So, a lot of concrete. Thanks for watching. This will all be the way I've got it designed right now is this is workshop area for tools,